morning, sir. Good morning, madam. My name is Agnes Murmu. I am 38 years old. I am married. I have two children. I am Christian. I study up to high school level. I have 2 years of working experience in Bangladesh serving a family of 7 persons. In my ex-employer's house, I did all general household works and took care of one baby, 3 children, one elderly. In Hong Kong Training Center, I am learning all necessary household works like washing, cleaning, ironing, marketing, Chinese cooking, car washing, using all electrical appliances, taking care of baby, children, elderly, disabled and pets. I am also learning English and Cantonese. Xin sang thái thái lệ tê hô cô mẹ kêu Agnes Murmu, ô cam linh sang sắp ba xoay, ô xuân kê tóc thọ, ô xếp tạc chú yêu, ô hôi chui bê thái thái lệ tê xếp, ô xích chui Trung Quốc chong, cô chí chèng yêu, phong cô chèng gai cô thong thong mai thê ta xoay chung học ải. Lý cô hai xoay cùi. Lý cô hai xạ cùi. Lý cô hai bèn cô. Lý cô hai dàn. Lý ba hai tù. Lý chế hai ùn. Lý chế hai tịp. Lý chế hai chicken. Lý chế hai cha. Lý tôi hai gì. Sir, madam, I need to earn more money to support my family. Please hire me as your domestic helper. I promise I will be very hardworking, polite, honest, and always follow your instruction. I hope we can meet in Hong Kong. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, madam. See you in Hong Kong. Bye bye.